You guys, check this Arctic Wind portable air conditioner. It is 5000 BTU. Turn it on. And although it doesn't have LCD, but ooh, I'm cold. Reduce it. 64 is the lowest, and then we'll go up. Has a timer, fan speed, you know, add the temperature, reduce the temperature, and all that good stuff. You guys, subscribe and let's get started. Hey everybody, it's Larosa. Welcome back to my channel. So they brought the light after 8 days and the AC, the fan is not working out. The AC is on but it's not connecting to the fan outside. So as usual, our documentation continues. I found this at the liquidation store and I decided to get them cash with no returns and all that stuff. I couldn't find any anywhere. I think some Walmarts in other cities have some, but I'm not sure. I'll still check out for more ACs. So I got 2 units. One and one Coolio. So this one is the Arctic Wind. We're gonna go ahead and set it up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and thank you so much for staying tuned. Check out other videos. I'm gonna pour everything on the floor so we see what the setup looks like. So this is the Arctic Wind portable AC. It is the 5000 BTU. Over here we have the timer, the speed, the fan speed, the increasing temperature, reducing temperature, the mode, on and off button, the cool, dry and fan, the low and high, and then the timer. And then over here to the spec, these are what it came with, the whatever belt this is, the instructions over here, and then the remote is not, it doesn't have LCD light, by the way, and then that one, the window bracket mount, whatever, the screws for whatever you want to use it for, and I'm thinking this is the remote battery and the bracket or the wall mount. And then you have this is the hose or whatever they call it, but the regular stuff that the ACs come with. So these are the specifications. Let's go ahead and read it. So specification wise, this is the model, that is the power supply, 115 volt to splash, 60 HZ. The mode is cooling. So this doesn't have the heating and cooling mode, this unit. Design capacity, this is 5150 BTU, and then the capacity is 5150 BTU, and then design capacity is 5000 BTU. This is probably one of the smallest one. And then the input power is 700 watts. You can see our generator is one of the smallest one, 3500 watts. So this is very good. At least it won't consume much if you're using this one with a portable generator. And then that one is that 6.2 BTU, and that you can always pause the video and read this out. At least those were the most important for me. So it looks all scratched up and all that, but it's from the liquidation store. So I think this is where those goes. We're gonna go ahead and hook it up and all that stuff, and we'll see. This is closed and this is open. We'll see. And that's for the hose. To close it, you go like this. And to open it, you go like that. Okay. First thing we want to do is measure the windows, and in this case, this adjustable is longer than the window. So we can either use and a saw and cut this place off, which we already marked it. So we see what the size is. But for the sake of this video that we're doing, we'll go ahead and just finish it off by just placing this one, and then we'll use a cardboard paper and block off this side for now. Okay, because that goes in there like so. The exhaust pipe. messed it up. Yes, I messed it up. Okay. So there we go. We'll put it to screw it clockwise, I think. If you want to drain the water, there, whichever way, put it, drain it, and whatnot. But for now, so you guys don't forget, whenever after measuring it, you're going to hold it down here with one of the screws. That's what the screws are for. Hold it down with the screw. But for now, for the sake of the video, we're just doing everything anyhow for now, and then we'll adjust later. So that goes in there like so. So I went ahead and screwed it in. I removed it, screwed it back in, and then we'll put it in there. Which in this case, I'll go ahead and take it. Like so. But normally before you put it down, this is the foam sealant. So this is supposed to be down there. This side is tape. It seals down here, the down part of the window and under the window. So that way it's on top like so. That's what it is. But we're not going to use it for now during the video. We'll figure all this out later. So that's the sealant. And if your window is sliding window, that's why this is super long for sliding. We'll place it that way. For, the windows are slide like this. In this case, we're not doing anything yet. We're just showing what the ACs look like. And we're going to, I'm going to pretend to take a sharp one. So this is also foam sealing sponge, so you guys figure out what to do with it. So this is just a sample. If I want to use this paper and pretend, so we'll pretend that this is it and this is it, and that's just pretense. It says to not let this be crooked, just like a hose, and what do you call it? It's supposed to be at least like that, so it's not kinked or anything, so it can drain efficiently. Let's turn it on. That's the test part, and that's the reset button. Test and reset button. Came with this two AAA battery. Oh, it already has one. This is extra. So that's the on button. Oh, it's cool already. It's cooling. I don't know what this is. Okay, this is the mode. This looks like the mode, because this, it changes to cool, and then high, and then dry is low, and then fan is also low. That's the temperature setting. Okay, how about put it back on. So this is how high you want the LCD. Do you want high or low? High, low. That's for that button. That's high and low. And then this is to increase the temperature. This is to reduce the temperature. 64 is the lowest. That's for the temperature. This is the timer. If you want it for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you continue pressing the timer. 13 hours. So that's the timer. That's the timer. It goes up to 24 hours. And this is if you want it to Fahrenheit or centigrade. So it's basically self-explanatory. And up here is the same thing. The timer, turn off and turn on. I can increase it. Okay, you can keep pressing the timer until it's 24 hours or so. And of course your addition and subtraction to add and reduce the temperature. And you go to the mode on the fan. So the fan speed is like this. You want it that high, you want it this low, you want it high, you want it low, or up here. you know, high, and then low. Only when the mode is on fan, and when it's on cool mode, it's not really on fan mode. So this is just to adjust the temperature and all that stuff. So overall, it's very portable. I like it. It's very portable. I like it. And then, you know, hopefully it gets to serve the purpose. Wow, it's already cool enough. I love it already. 5,000 BTU, and I can feel it like how many feet. I think this should be, I don't have to hold the main part. It should be like probably a room of 160 feet. I can already feel it that far. 5,000 BTU, man. I don't know the what do you call it, but I can how many square feet room it's supposed to be, but I guess everything is right there on the, you know, that place I showed you. Is it behind there? Yeah, on the specification, or Google it or something. So hopefully this helps, and then now we're gonna go set up the other one. Stay tuned for the other AC. That one is 10,000 BTU, the cooler or something like that. And we're gonna go ahead and adjust this after the video. At least without even cutting it, this is the other way around. We have to put it in. I almost forgot, you guys. All right, bye for real this time.